A3 Mark III Golfer Jetta. I've shown this before. You turn the key, nothing happens, and sometimes the lock cylinder will actually pull out. As you can see, I probably can take it all the way out. So that usually indicates that something's broken. You take a Torx screwdriver. I think it's a T30. And you push this assembly towards the front, and you just lever it out by manipulating it. It just has to release the release catch, which you just heard. So this hook here has to release this guy here, and this guy is missing something that's this long. You can see it's still sitting there. Sometimes the broken pieces fall down into the door as you try to take them out. Oh, maybe that's what's going to happen here. Oh. So sometimes this will fall down into the door. No big deal. Don't worry about it. It shouldn't rattle around. Here you can see the release, the slot for the central locking. So if I turn this to the right, it'll lock. If I hold it too long, the window will go up. If I hold it in the unlocked position, the window will go down. So normal orientation is in the vertical position. So this lock cylinder, you can see this release lever or this rod is okay. The hook is not broken, but the retaining part here is. So we're gonna install another door handle and swap over the tumblers so that the key can be used with the new handle. There's a new handle. Comes with new keys, but we're not going to use those. You just unhook this guy. Take this off. Actually, you will need the key to pull the cylinder out, or it'll come out easier with it. Then we take out the old cylinder. It should come out. You can see the eyelid here is broken. Not very thick to begin with, but anyways, we're now going to swap the tumblers out of here. You just keep them in the same orientation. I can get the pick in here. Oh, it comes out the same way, sorry. Blonde moment. That's number 2. Number 3. 4. 5. 6. And 7. Do the same thing with the new one, and you take these and you put it in here, and then you assemble it. Okay, so the new tumblers are out, the old ones are in the new cylinder. Take the old key and you put it in. You can see the tumblers are working nicely. Take the key out, the tumblers pop out. Push the key in, the tumblers go down. Make sure there's a release spring, or sorry, a centering spring that needs to go over the end here. Push it down, and then you hook this lever into position. That's it. New door handle, new cylinder, old key, old tumblers. To install it, you have to turn the key a quarter turn to make a gap here, and then you slide it over like this, and then hopefully it hooks into this guy. That's the hardest thing that's gonna have to occur here. At the same time, you have to make sure that this guy goes into the center, into the slot there. Bit of a finessing job. I lucked out. So lock, unlock. If I hold it in the lock position, the window is going to go up. If I hold it in unlock, window is going to go down. I'm going to test the handle a few times before you close the door, just in case. Then you can take the protective plastic off, which is always fun.